Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic Etherchannel. First, let me know one thing. If we have the 100 Mbps fast Ethernet, how we can increase the bandwidth? Is it possible or no? Yes, it is possible. Let me show you one thing. Here we are taking two switch. Okay, switch 1, switch 2. Okay, so connect this with fast Ethernet ports. Okay, again, I'm taking 4. Okay, it's taking time to start. See, why these 3 ports are blocked? You know, the STP protocol, spanning tree protocol here, what it will do. Here we have 3 switches. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. Connected with okay, let it be start. See, here also the one path is blocked. Why? Because it prevent the looping. It take the single path. So one question arrived that in this how looping occur, right? Here is we have the 3 switch and here we have 2 switch and looping occur. Let me see. Say if we send the ARP message, okay, and I remove the STP protocol from here, then all the link is active now. So what? ARP message comes from here, then here, then here, then here. What created? Loop, right? How? Say this. Here the ARP message gone. See like this. It is in loop. So then how we can prevent it and what is the ether channel? Let's go to our main topic. Okay. I hope you understand this here. Okay. Let's we go to the topic ether channel. So ether channel is used to aggregate link between two switches logically. Okay. To increase the bandwidth by using physical interface. To increase the bandwidth by using physical interface. Here we combine. Aggregated means bundling the links. So after bundling these links, what will come? 400 Mbps will create the logical link creation by the help of the bundling, right? So this 100 Mbps of link become the 400 Mbps of link. So it will increase the bandwidth. Okay. Then next point is Etherchannel provides redundant part to increase speed between switches by aggregating link. Okay. So it converts multiple direct link into one logical channel, right? It converts multiple direct link into logical channels. Okay. So maximum 8 links can be aggregated. Maximum 8 links can be aggregated. Okay. Aggregated means bundling, right? So Etherchannel can aggregate maximum links of 8, right? So what is the port channel? Port channel is a virtual or logical instance of physical interface. We can also say that Etherchannel, or we can say that a port channel. Logical or virtual instance of physical interface. Okay. So before going further, we have to know the rules of Etherchannel. Rules of Etherchannel is, first rule is same speed or bandwidth. Second, trunk link. Okay. Then we have 3 ways to make Etherchannel. First is by manually, second is by dynamically, in which we have PAGP, which is known as port aggregation, which is of Cisco property, and next is our LACP, link aggregation configuration protocol, okay, which is a open standard. Okay, let me write it. Dynamically, we have first PAGP, which is a port aggregation, which is a Cisco property. Okay. Next we have the LACP, which stands for link aggregation aggregation, configuration, protocol, which is a open standard. Then we have modes of Etherchannel. First is on mode, which is on manual configuration. Then we have auto. Auto, which negotiate with PAGP passively. Passively. Okay. Then we have desirable. These also modes we have listened in DTP protocol, right? Desirable. There we have the things like trunk, creation of trunk and all, right? So negotiate with PAGP actively. Then we have mode passive. Negotiate with LSCP. Passively. Okay. Then we have active. Negotiate with LSCP actively. Okay. Then these two property, auto and desirable, is a Cisco property. As I have already tell that PAGP is a Cisco property and LSCP is a open standard. Then let me explain you how these things will work. Cisco property. Which is PAGP, right? So here in Cisco property we have auto plus auto is equal to no port channel, or we can say no ether channel. Then we have desirable plus auto is equal to port channel. Then we have desirable plus desirable is equal to port channel. As in the DTP protocol, we have trunk and all, right? Also, we checking this, how the trunk will created that. In LSCP, auto is equal to passive. And desirable is equal to is equal to active. Okay. Then all property in LACPR first is passive plus passive is equal to no port channel, or we can say no ether channel. Then we have active plus passive is equal to port channel, or we can say ether channel. Then we have active plus active is equal to port channel. Okay. Okay. Then we do this on our Cisco packet tracer. Let me remove this. Okay. Let me reduce this size. Okay. Okay then. Now I am taking the switch one. CLI. Okay. Enable conf t interface range FA0/124, right? Then what we are doing, giving channel group. Here I am taking the name of this group 1. You can take anything like CCNA 3, 4, 5 as you want. 1 mode desirable. Okay. Then exit. Okay. Then we go to second switch. Enable conf t interface range FA0/124. Okay. Then again, I'm writing the channel group 1 mode auto, right? Port channel 1 straight up to, then again exit, exit 1. Here okay, here you can see the interfaces, right? So now what I will do, show interface port channel 1. I am checking the interfaces of channel, right? Go. It's not taking. Show interface port channel 1. Why it is not taking? Let me check. Oh, we have given this for channel 1. Okay. Show interface switch port. Say, here we have the negotiation of trunking is on. Text switch port is enabled for 01. Okay. So fast Ethernet 01 port enable. Another things it is showing. Okay. Then if I want to check on another switch, what? Show Etherchannel summary. It is showing the summary, the port channel, all, and here the ports. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create the trunk here. Okay. Interface port channel 1. Okay. Switch port mode trunk, right? So then exit for the creation of villain and exit. Show interface trunk. It is showing the trunk interface. VLAN here, spanning tree, forwarding state, no problem. All the things is there. Hope you will understand this concept very clearly. Here I have done with the Cisco property. We can also try with the open standard property. You can try this with your own. If you have any query, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.